I'm John Grayson Wallace, and I offer this video and also the song of this video to my friend, to my best friend, Sabel Edralin. Sabel, this message for you is, I just want you to know that thank you so much for being a part of my life, and I love you so much. Edralin! My gosh! Happy birthday. So this is for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Edralin Chai. Happy birthday to you. So, happy birthday, and also thank God for giving me you. So, tomorrow is your big day, so happy birthday, Isabel Edralin. Happy birthday, child. Love